In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit tokens into Aster. Now, the first thing you want to do is, of course, go to Aster's official website and connect your wallet. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Aster DEX website. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. Now on here on the Aster DEX, again, once you have your wallet connected, and by the way, if you do not know how to do this, I have separate tutorials on how to connect pretty much every wallet you could connect to Aster DEX. Once you do have that, you want to hit the deposit button over here. And then you have to select the account. So I want to accredit the perpetual account here, and I'm going to click on that. And then, of course, it's up to you which chain you want. I'm going to do Solana because I have my Phantom wallet connected. And then you have to select the token. So it can be USDT, Sol, USDC, or of course, anything else on the list over here. I'm just going to do USDT and then max. And after that, you literally have to just click on the deposit button. It's going to open up a pop-up inside your wallet where you basically have to confirm it by clicking confirm. And after you do that, your deposit has been successful. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.